Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will talk about the inscribed angle. So we have learned the central angle, which is the vertex on the central. So for example, if I have a center point, which is P, so this angle will be central angle, okay? And inscribed angle, which is the vertex on the circle. So this angle right here, this is the green one, which is inscribed angle. Okay, so the relationship between the inscribed angle and the central angle is the inscribed angle is half the measure of central angle. Okay, and the arc, it intercepts or goes through, so which means this arc. Okay, the blue one. So for example, if we know the central angle, which is 80 degree, that means the arc it intercepts is 80 as well, because we know the central angle and the arc, they are equal. And the inscribed angle, which half the central angle, that means half of 80 is 40 degree. So you see 40, 80, 80. That's the inscribed angle, central angle, and the arc. Alright. So next, let's see the inscribed angle theorem. So for the inscribed angle theorem, the first one, we already talked about it. Basically, is the inscribed angle half the arc. Okay? So their relationship is like inscribed angle half the central angle, half the arc. Okay? So that's one of them. And the other one, which is if the inscribed angle of a circle intercept the same arc, then the angles are congruent, means the angles are equal. For example, so angle ABC and angle ADC, those two angles, okay, so their intercept arc is ABC. So ABC, the intercept arc is right here. ADC, the intercept arc is here. So you see they have the same intercept arc. That means angle B congruent to angle D. Okay, they are equal. They are equal to each other. And the other one is an inscribed angle subtends a semicircle if and only if the angle is a right angle. So for this one is how we think about it. If there is a right angle, okay, the scribed angle, if it's a right angle, then we connect those two endpoints, we will have a right triangle. So the right triangle here pass through the diameter. The hypotenuse is the diameter. That means we half the circle. As we know, half of the circle is 180 degree, which is semicircle. So if this arc is 180, then the inscribed angle is half of 180. Of course, it's going to be 90. Okay? So that's the question about the inscribed angle. Let's see an example here. So for this example, we will see, I tell you this central angle is 80. Then I'm asking you what's the measure of arc AC and what's the measure of angle ABC. Okay, so first of all, for the arc, the measure of the arc, AC which is the intercept with the angle AOC. Okay, so then the measure of the arc AC equal 80 degrees. And the inscribed angle, which is ABC, this angle, is half of the central angle or the arc. So that's equal 40 degrees. That's it. Thank you for listening. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.